Hello! Today we are making a rainbow pizza to bring colors to your table. Step 1. The pizza sauce. On medium heat, drizzle olive oil in a pan and let it heat up. Add the chopped onion and cook for 2 minutes. Add the grated garlic and continue cooking for a few minutes until the onion pieces get a golden color. Add the tomato paste. Mix and cook for 2 minutes. Add the grated tomatoes and spices: paprika, ground ginger, dried onion, dried oregano that you'll rub between the palm of your hands to release its flavors, salt, pepper, and sugar to balance the acidity of tomatoes. Mix and cook for 15 minutes until the sauce thickens. Stir from time to time. And our sauce is ready. Step 2. The pizza. Place pre-cooked pizza crusts in your baking pan. Spread the pizza sauce on the pre-cooked pizza circles. Avoid adding the sauce to the edges of the crust or it would burn when baking the pizza. Add the grated cheese on top. Place the cherry tomatoes in the center and surround them by the other veggies: yellow bell pepper, green bell pepper, red bell pepper, broccoli, onion. You can use any veggies of your choice. Drizzle some olive oil on top of the veggies and on the edges of the crust. Let's watch it again. Bake the pizza in a preheated oven at 200 Celsius degrees, 400 Fahrenheit degrees for about 20 minutes. Cut a slice and enjoy. Bon appétit!